has been here in Canada since 1988. It's an excellent environment from a political perspective, from a stability perspective, and for us, that long-term thinking is key, especially when you think about this capital-intensive automotive business. It provides us access to the North American market and our customers. We've got excellent supply chain and access to world-class suppliers. Our relationship with the regional, provincial, and federal governments has been terrific. They really understand what it takes to be competitive, and they think about the long term.
Large-scale investments like Toyota are an anchor to local and regional economies. And Canada has a proven track record to support those types of investments across the country. Toyota hires many undergraduate students on co-op work term placements here from the university, as well as our graduates into full-time career positions.
That forms an excellent talent pipeline for us. They get to learn about manufacturing, we get to understand their capability, and they are a key part of our recruiting strategy when we're looking for engineering and science backgrounds. Our team members are very creative. We encourage them to think of new ideas. In fact, our maintenance, our engineering, and our production team members have over 53 patents from their creativity and their innovation spirit.
As an engineering manager, it's important to me to be continuously challenged and be given the opportunities to innovate new ways to build our cars. Toyota lets us have those opportunities in that we're at the forefront of technology and innovation in order to build better cars for our customers and processes for our team members. It's encouraging to see that companies are investing in Canada. They're seeing the talented workforce we have to offer in Canada.
Toyota's commitment to the University of Waterloo is furthering our experiential learning program known as the Ideas Clinic, providing more resources, allowing us to gauge students in all engineering disciplines, and expanding the program to all years. With Toyota, we're developing advanced vehicle simulation models to support their efforts to offer new drivetrain technologies in their vehicles. We're also actively engaged in fuel cell research, looking at hydrogen as a clean energy source for their future vehicle models.
Canada's a great place to live and to work. We have a very harmonious society in which we all care about each other and we care about everyone succeeding together. Teamwork is a big part of what we do at Toyota as well as what we do in Canada. We're in it together, we grow together.